Hi everyone, this is Grace. How are you? You know, according to this book, the book I always recommend, we would live almost age 100 and we would be working until age 80 or so. So let's redesign your life and let's redesign your life plan. Today, I am wearing kimono. This is a Japanese formal kimono because I just came back from wedding reception. Whenever I can, or whenever the weather allows, I try my best to wear kimono to attend the wedding reception because that's my way of showing respect to the bride and the groom. And Today was such a special day because there are two things that happened. The first thing happened today was I had a contractor come to my house and do some minor repair work. So I have to clear his working area. Then I found picture albums from 1998. So while the carpenter is working, my husband and I enjoy going through the albums. And God, it was like a message. You know, it's like you open up the time capsule you buried 20 years ago. So it is just like that. As we went through the pages after pages of pictures from 20 years ago, it was just like a message or a letter I received from me who wrote 20 years ago. You know, something like that. And I share some of the pictures on this social media. So please take a look and see if I look the same. I think I didn't really change too much. I look happy then. I look happy today. So all of the credit goes to my loving husband, Daniel, because he keeps me happy. Thank you so much for his understanding and support to whatever I want to do. Because to me, the ultimate happiness is to do what I love to do. And as you know, I'm a career person. I'm not a homey person. I don't have children. I chose not to have children because I love my career so much. And my husband, being a Chinese descendant, you know, Chinese people are more family oriented. They like to have as many children as possible. But he supported me not to have children, and he supported my passion about my career. And today's passion is to empower Japanese women, because I really like to empower Japanese women or Asian women the way they live. They shouldn't live their parents' life, but they should live their own life. So that's my passion, to send out my message to all the ladies around the world. But anyhow, so it was a real nice, thing to go through the pictures from 20 years ago exactly, 1998. And then the second thing happened was, as you see, my husband and I attended friend's wedding reception. And actually, that's our friend's children's reception. So that's another one. 1998, I also found a picture of us visiting this school in Switzerland, Geneva. And because I was a kind of perfectionist, I wanted to see the school my child or my children would be going. So we visited this particular school, international school in Switzerland. But something happened, so we decided not to have children because I prefer my career rather than having a family. But anyhow, so I was thinking, oh my God, if we did have child then our child would be 19 years old. And today my friends, they had the kids, right away. So their kids maybe toward the late 20s and they got married. So I was thinking, oh my God, we would be like them in a few years. And but everybody have a choice, and my choice was not to have children, not to have children. So no regret, but it's amazing. Life is amazing. What I want to say is, you are what you are because this is the accumulation of your small decisions that you have made so far. So me, today I am like this, and I am happy. I am as happy as I was 20 years ago. Actually, I am happier and wiser because when you see my pictures 20 years ago, I was happy and I was blessed with everything I wanted to have. But all of my values changed when my mother passed away. My mother passed away around 15 years ago, suddenly. It was this Father's Day. I invited my parents to come to stay with me. And can you believe, 8 weeks after the Father's Day that year, my mom became 6 feet under. So suddenly my mother got sick. 8 weeks later, my mother, she is in a cemetery. And since then, somehow my vision changed. Like, I used to love those French purse, Hermes, all those things. And suddenly, when my mom passed away, everything became like black and white, no more color. In other words, those material didn't mean anything. Or to be more specific, I think I wake up, my heart open up, what is most important in life. And again, what is most important in life is a personal choice. Some people say, oh, my kids are everything. I can do anything for my kids. Or some people like me, oh, I love my career. I love my business. Or some people say, oh, I love money. Or some people might say, I love diamond. It's all personal choice. But when I wake up, or the message I received that time is, to me, to be happy, I have to do what I love to do. And I have to live my own life. That's what I learned. And when I realized that, I don't need anything anymore. And I don't need, of course, I'm still driving Mercedes because the automobile safety is number one. So I wouldn't drive any other cars, but only Mercedes. But other than that, I'm not too particular about anything anymore. So this is my message today. It happened so coincident, 2 things. Number one, I have to have some minor repair work in my house, so I have to clean up the area. Then I found picture albums from 1998, exactly 20 years ago. And also, I attended my friend's kid's wedding. So I was thinking, oh my God, like my friend's parents, used to be, maybe when we were college, my friends' parents were in the 50s, but now they're senior citizens. They are like 80s. They're really, really old. And then some people already passed away. My picture album 20 years ago, my mother-in-law looked so healthy, and she was still maybe around 60 years old, but today she's gone. So many people already passed away. So many things happened in these 20 years. So really, my message to you is, number one, enjoy what you do. You might be having a hard time right now, but things happen for a reason. When you are having hard time or when you are suffering, please remember, that's a message from the universe or from the big G, that time for you to change, time for you to go to the next level. That's why they give you this particular lesson. And you have to believe in yourself, you can overcome. That's one. And number two, please live your life. Don't live your life, don't try to get married because your parents tell you you have to get married by a certain age. Don't try to have try to struggle to have babies. Don't waste your money spending infertility specialists, because having a baby is not the only happiness in this life. Look at me. I don't have kids, but I am so blessed. I'm so happy. It's all up to you. Happy people are the people who decide to be happy. So I'm happy without kids because I'm happy I have such a good husband. I'm happy because my father, 82 years old, still healthy, no dementia, So really, please live your own life. Don't try to meet somebody's expectation, okay? So that's my message today. Enjoy every moment. Don't worry about what you would look like 20 years from now. Big G or universe will lead you. So just trust yourself. You will be fine. That's my message today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.